Okay guys, decided to make this video in regards to finding the crankshaft positioning sensor for a Kia Sedona. It's a year 2006 Kia Sedona EX, and it's a V6, and the crankshaft positioning sensor looks like this. So this is the old one that I just recently replaced. What happened was I had an engine light come on, and I had a scanner, so I scanned it, and it turns out that the crankshaft positioning sensor was malfunctioning. So I had to buy the part, which I bought this on a website called Rock Auto, and went and replaced it. The issue is I didn't know where it was located at, and I looked online, and it was really hard to find a good video of where the location of the crankshaft positioning sensor. So I decided to make this video. So anyways, as you're looking at the engine from the front, you got the battery over here, and they got the air filter. The way to get to it is pretty simple. I have to remove this cover, and I will go ahead and do that now. And I'm just going to show you where it's located at. I'm not going to go through the whole process because I already have replaced it. I just kind of thought of doing a video after the fact. So I'll be right back, and I'll just go ahead and remove this cover for now so I can show you all where it is. Okay, so I'm back. I went ahead and removed the cover. As you can see, you got the old filter here. Now, the actual location of the crankshaft positioning sensor is actually underneath here. And let me see. Let me grab a flashlight so I can show you exactly where it is, because it's kind of dark. Let me see if I can zoom in. Yeah, it's dark in there, so let me grab the flashlight. So I'll put a flashlight on it so I can show you guys where it is. Okay guys, finally back with the flashlight. So right now I got the flashlight, so I'm kind of trying to see if I can zoom in to where it is. So I got the flashlight right there, and that's the bolt. If you can see, I'm using the flashlight to point it out. Where the shining is there, that's the bolt that's holding down the crankshaft positioning sensor. So that's where the location is. So anyways, it's a 10mm bolt that's holding down in place, and you basically get some extenders. Am I even saying that right? But anyways, get some extenders running through there, and loosen that bolt, and then you'll be able to reach underneath here. Now, I got some pretty big hands, so I had a hard time getting in there. So luckily I had a friend that's close by with smaller hands. She was able to get in there and reach out and pull it out once I removed the bolt. And then pretty much in reverse. But also what I did is I kind of removed the air filter housing here, just to give me more room to get in there. But that didn't quite help. I mean, you got to have somebody with smaller hands to get underneath in there, underneath all this. But you got this space right here you can get underneath, so you can get to it. But you're going to need a flashlight. But that's pretty much where the location is. I'm gonna light it up again, and I'm gonna see if I can shine the light on it. So right there, that's the bolt that's holding on to the crankshaft positioning sensor. So note, I'm not a certified mechanic by any means, but I've been working on cars for many years now. So, and this is my car, so I'm comfortable in, figuring how to work on this car. I've worked it on numerous times, but it's pretty easy to get to. Just it was hard to find anything online as far as research, so that's the reason being for this video. So anyways, I hope this helps you all. Again, this is a Kia Sedona EX. It's a year 2006. Again, 2006 Kia Sedona. All right, so hope that helps you all. So again, it's on the driver's side of the engine. Just if you, here's the oil filter, and if you just kind of bring down your hand that way, and then you got to kind of go through there. But anyways, I hope that helps anyone that's out there that's dealing with the same thing. Like I said, it so happened my engine light came on, and that's what he told me, so I replaced it, and then it's working now. So okay, all right, good luck.